everyone, Double Vision Chi here, and today I'll be showing you how to sign in on Scratch. So first we are going to go to Scratch and search for Scratch Online. So once we do that, we're just going to have to press enter, and the first thing you see is Scratch Imagine Program Share. So you have to click on that. Yeah, then you have to then you will be in the openings page. Then you have to sign in. I already have signed in, guys, so if I just click this, yes, I have signed in. So let's begin. So today I'll be showing you about the different blocks and what do they do. So let it just load. Okay, so first, as soon as we log in, we see that the first thing is that we see the motion blocks. Now the motion blocks is when it helps the sprite, which in this case the cat, helps to move. So if you click on it, then you can see that the sprite moves 10 steps, and we'll just check on what happens when we put turn on 15 degrees. So it just turns like that, and you got two options in which it can turn in this way or the other one. So yeah, and also you can change the number. If you want to move, you can put up to 20 steps, and then if you click it, it moves 20 steps. And if you put another turn, you can make it into turn. Let's just make it into 30, and then if you click it, it goes like in 30. Okay, so we'll just make that into, wait, so if you put that back, and yes, so now we got the character straight, and now we'll just put it go to random position. Now you got two things. You can put either go to random position or mouse pointer. So if we click on go to random position, the sprite goes to random positions. So I'll just show it to you once again. Yes, so as you can see, and if you put it to mouse pointer, so if I when click, so yeah, I'll just show you to you when. So that's how it works. So it goes to the mouse pointer. I'll also tell you about the events. So then we are going to check on go to X and Y. So for this we are going to need another backdrop. So for that we have to go to the down, and you can see the XY grid, 20px or the XY grid 30px. So for now we're just going to take the XY grid, and yeah, so now you can see. So now you can see the position of your sprite. So now if you go here, it says equal to x240, y0, x0, y0, like that. And if you want to read the exact thing, so if you move it right here, you can see that your x and y also changes. So if you keep it right here, it changes to 192 and y27. If we keep it here, it changes to x172 and 6y. And now if you want the sprite to go to the center, all you have to put is 0 and then another 0. So just so the sprite will go right here. So yeah, that's what it does. So if you put like this, and if you just put some random numbers like 3 and just put 4, and if you click, oh, it looks like that does not exist. So yeah, so now if you put it if you go here, and if you change this x and x and y to 0 0, and if we click on go to -103 and 26, it goes like that. So let us check on glide to random position. Glide 1 second to random position, or you can also put that the mouse pointer, just like in this we saw to go to random position, but in this thing it will just glide. And if you want it to do something like this, so I'm just going to keep him in the neck corner, and I'm going to click, and it goes to a random position. But now if I change it to mouse pointer, and if I click, yeah, he just comes towards the mouse pointer. So if we keep it up here and him down here, oh yeah, so we're just going to click it, and he comes. back. And you can also change the time glide duration, like you can keep it up to 2 seconds. So just to show you that, I'm gonna make him glide for 2 seconds. And now if we keep for the fastest, I think so it's gonna be 0. I'm just gonna keep it for now 0.5. So let's just check how fast he goes. Whoa, that's very fast. So now we are just going to remove that, and we are going to put to the exact thing. Like here it's go to random position, and this one says go to X and go to X 240 and Y 133. It's the same right here. So in this case, instead of going just like teleporting there, it just glides. So if we just click right now, yes. So as you can see, it goes there. So you can also change the XY, and you can also put the different numbers. So just for showing you guys, I'm just going to get 4, and if I click, oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, he goes very slowly. So let's just continue. Then you go to point in direction, yeah, point in direction 90. So if I'm not mistaken, change it to minus 90, and if I click, okay. So it just changes the sprites, how the sprite looks. So if you just keep it like, so it's just, if you see right now, it's at minus 90. If you keep it at 90 and click, it faces this side. But if you keep it at minus 90, the cat will also like flip, and it will also be facing the other side. So that's what does that mean. So now this one is point towards the mouse pointer. So yeah. So if I keep it right here, he points towards the mouse pointer. The sprite points. So then if we can't keep it right there. So yeah. So just to fix that, I'm going to put that point in direction at 90, and that's it. And that's fixed. So now we are just going to check by change X by and set X to. So change X by is like it glides. So if I keep it like 20, just I'm going to give it up for 20. So it goes up to 20 steps. It's just like moving. Like if you keep it move 20 steps. So yeah, moving, and the difference is that X is like way more precise than this moving. And set X to like, it goes like teleports. So if you, it like go to. So if we keep it right here, and then if we keep him right in the middle, and so he just teleports. So set X2 is quite the same. So he just like teleports there instead of, but change X by makes him like, it looks like he's walking. So yeah, that's the difference. And the same thing with Y. So Y by 61. So set Y to 61. Oh well, it's like, okay, so if we keep him right there, and if we click set Y to 61, he goes there. Oh well, I'm so sorry. Okay, so if we keep it change Y by 10, yeah, and if you keep like change Y by, set Y to 93, he basically just goes there, and he cannot, if you keep on clicking it, he's keep on staying there. But if we keep on change Y by, and if we keep on clicking it, it just goes up, up, up. So yeah, so I'll also tell you the meaning of X and Y. X means like the straight like this. Y means going up and down. X is right and left. Y is up and down. So yeah. Okay, and set Y2 is done. So if an edge bounce, so if you're just gonna keep him right here, and so yeah, we're just gonna keep him turn 15 degrees. So we're just gonna make him face that wall, and if we keep by move, yeah, as you can see, he just bounced off the edge. So just to prove it to you again, so we're just gonna keep him right here, and see, he just bounces off and comes here. So yeah, that's how the if on edge bounce. So yeah, set rotation style left and right. Yeah, so if you keep all around, yeah, so it goes to its normal position. If non-rotate, left and right means it becomes like this. Yeah, and all around means you can keep it at any, like this. It goes like in different things. So yeah, this is the XY position. It's way more uses. Its uses is in the variables, which I'll be telling you about in the next video. Thank you. That's it for today. Bye. See you soon. And don't forget to please like, share and subscribe.